Can we change music length on Facebook story? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Ro and I'll show you if we can change music length on Facebook story or not. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap your story or create a story at top left and create a story by selecting any photo or video. Now at right panel you will see music icon. Tap music. Now you can easily select from For You section or you can browse by tapping search bar at top of the screen. So let's select a particular music. So for this tutorial I'm not playing any music to avoid copyright issues and to ensure you can hear me quickly or clearly. So after selecting the music you will see the lyrics if available. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow you to directly adjust the music length from here. But what you can do is you simply need to use other applications help like Instagram to adjust music length. You can simply exit Facebook application and from the Instagram application you can easily adjust the music length. So from the Instagram, you can easily select and edit the music by using the common method that you probably do. And after that, you can easily save the video from there and share the edited video on Facebook. Not only that, you can take help from different editing applications like CapCut and many more, and then edit the video length or the music length on Facebook story. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.